everyone, welcome back to Tsp Pink Salt. I hope you're all having a great day. Now today we're going to be making our berry loaded banana nut muffins, and these muffins are so tasty. They're absolutely delicious. They're really easy to make and they make great little snacks, especially if you have a sweet tooth like myself. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to make is our vegan buttermilk. So I'm combining plant milk, I'm using almond milk with apple cider vinegar, and we're just going to mix that together before setting it aside to allow it to curdle up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to move on to our bananas, and you want to make sure they look like this, really spotted, nicely freckled, because this is when they are really sweet. And if you want them even sweeter, let them get really dark, like completely brown. But at this point, I think they're ready. So we're just gonna peel them into our bowl and we're gonna mash them. And I love using my spotted bananas to make baked goods because I actually don't necessarily like the taste of them as is. So this is a great way to use them up. All right, now we're gonna add brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, some nutmeg, and some pink salt, and we're going to mix everything together until it looks like this. And at this point we're going to add in our vegan buttermilk mixture. So we're just going to fold that in until it looks like this. Now we're adding in our baking soda, baking powder, and coconut oil. Once everything is combined, we're going to add in our flour, about a cup at a time, so that everything is well mixed and you don't have any flour pockets. And as we're mixing our ingredients together, we want to make sure that we're scraping down the sides and the bottom of the bowl. We want to make sure all of the ingredients are well incorporated. And once you're done mixing all the flour in, it's gonna look like this. Now we're adding in our frozen berries. So I'm using frozen raspberries, frozen blueberries, and chopped walnuts. And I'm going to carefully fold this in. I don't want my raspberries to break up too much, so I'm doing this carefully. Now, you might experience some color transfer. I'm actually experiencing it here, which is why my batter turned blue. Obviously because of the blueberries, but it was still delicious. And now we're going to transfer our batter into our muffin tins. If you have those paper muffin cups, I highly recommend using those because they make cleanup so much easier, but I didn't have any on hand, so I just greased each individual muffin cup with some vegan butter. And I'm scooping in about a tablespoon and a half of my batter into each cup. If you have a cookie scoop or a measuring cup, that probably would have been a little bit easier, a little less messy than me using my finger. So I would recommend that as well. And make sure you get lots of berries into each cup so you get lots of berry goodness in every single bite. Alright, and now once we're done adding our batter into the cups, we're going to go ahead and bake this in the center of a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And when they come out, they're going to look just like this. They are golden brown. Your house is going to smell amazing, okay? You guys are going to want to dig into these right now, but let them cool down a little bit, okay? And as I stated earlier, this is a great way to use up bananas that you have laying around. You don't know what to do with them. Here's what you can do with them. They're absolutely delicious, and if you love baked goods like myself, you're gonna love these. I hope you all give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We put out new videos every week. Until next time, guys, have a great day.